ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ independent variable, dependent variable as well as derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Such equations are called differential equations ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And moreover next definitions ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Next differential equation another definition, an equations involving derivatives is called a differential equation. An equation is of the form f of x comma y dy by dx comma d square y by dx is equal to 0 is known as differential equation. Ordinary differential equations means a differential equations involving only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Partial differential equations, a differential equation involving more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation. So differential equations we have to find order and degree of the differential equations. Here we have order of the differential equation is the highest order derivative occurring in a differential equation is the order of the differential equations. Okay, order of the differential equations means the highest order of the derivative occurring in differential equation is the order of the differential equation. Next, degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation is the highest exponent of the highest order of the derivative occurring in the equation when the differential coefficients are paired of radicals or fractional powers. So for examples, order and degree of the differential equation. First here dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 0. Here order of the differential equation, the given equation is having dy by dx which is first order and the power of the dy by dx is also here 1, that is the degree of the differential equation. The next, the dy by dx whole square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to e power x. Here order of the differential equation is 1, order is 1 and the power of the order is degree. Here degree of the differential equation is 2. So next, d square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. Order of the differential equation here 2. The power of the order is called degree. We know that here power of the order is 1, that is 1. So degree is 1. Next one, d square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx whole square plus 3y is equal to 0. Order of the differential equation in 2 are the order 2 and degree is also here 1. Order of the differential equation which is d square y by dx square which is the highest order but which is dy by dx whole square which is not a second order which is first order. Here d square y by dx square is second order, so here order of the differential equation is 2 and the power of the order is degree, that is equal to 1. Here a into d square y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. But here radicals, here the differential coefficients are cleared of radicals of fractional power, so that's why we are squaring on both sides because 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 which is fractional power. Here whole square on both sides, 2 to get cancelled, remaining d square y by dx square whole square remaining 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3. Hence the order is 2. A power is also here 2, so order is 2 and degree is also 2. Then next one, d square y by dx square plus log of dy by dx is equal to y. Here highest order 2 is here, so our order of the differential equation is 2, but here degree not defined because the differential equations of derivatives are not in polynomial, hence degree is not defined. And next one, d square y by dx square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to x cube. Here also order of the differential equation is 2 and degree is not defined because why? The order of the derivatives are not in polynomial. Here also 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 4 is equal to d square y by dx square whole to the power of 1 by So ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ next we will get order is 2 and power ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ here remaining 4 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. order is 2 and degree is 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. next differential equations of the form. You know that differential equations, solve the differential equations ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 types ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು method of variable separable and another one is homogeneous differential equations and moreover linear differential equations. First we know that where method of variable separable ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು variables ನ separate ಮಾಡಿ applying integrate and consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ solutions ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next linear differential equations is of the form. Linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x, is linear in y. Then the integrating factor is integrating factor is e to the power of integrate p with respect to x. The general solution is y into integrating factor or e to the power of integrate p with respect to x is equal to integrate q into e to the power of integrate p with respect to x into dx plus c. Moreover, another one form equation is of the form dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y or constant or is linear in x. Then we have to find the integrating factor is e to the power of integrate p with respect to dy. Then the general solution of the given differential equation is x into e power integrate p with respect to y is equal to integrate q into e to the power of integrate p with respect to y into dy plus c. Okay, next multiple choice questions ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. first the order and degree of the differential equation. The order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 4 times of d square y by dx square are respectively. We have to here find the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay, the given equation is 1 plus 3 into dy by dx power 2 by 3 is equal to 4 cube d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3i2, because why the given differential equation 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole to the power of 2 by 3 which is fractional power. So the cubic on both side ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3 ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So highest order of the derivatives in the differential equation is here 2 and the power of the order is degree, hence which is 3. So order is 2 and degree is 3. Option C is here. Order is 2 and degree is 3. Option C is the correct answer. The next question ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ if m and n are the order and degree of the differential equation, here the given differential equation is d square y by dx square whole to the power of 5 plus 4 into d square y by dx cube whole to the power of 5 divided by dx d cube y by dx cube plus d cube y by dx cube is equal to x square minus 1. Then the options, first one m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 5, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3, m equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Here first we have to the given differential equation is of the form d square y by dx square whole to the power of 5 as it is again plus 4 into d square y by dx cube whole to the power of 5 divided by d cube y by dx cube. First we are multiplying by d cube y divided by dx cube on the both side of the differential equation. So the it is d cube y by dx cube into d square y by dx square whole to the power of 5 plus 4 into d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3, because why ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ d cube y by d divided by dx square whole to the power of 2 is equal to x square minus 1 into d cube y by dx cube ಆಗಿದೆ throughout the multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. So now this a polynomial in derivatives, then the derivatives are in polynomial, then the highest order of the derivatives here d cube, then the order is 3 and power is degree, that is 2 here. So order of the differential equation is 3 and the power is degree is 2. Hence the options B is the correct answer. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. The next question, the degree of the differential equation. The degree of the differential equation here only is only degree of the differential equation. Hence it is cube y by dx cube plus x square into dy by dx whole cube is equal to 4 into log of d square y by dx square is. So here we have d cube y by dx cube plus x square into dy by dx whole cube is equal to 4 times of log of d square y by dx square is highest to harder 3. So harder is 3, but here asking only the degree of the differential equation. Highest to harder of the power is degree of the differential equation. Hence, we have to check the given differential equations either are in polynomial or not. Then the given differential equations will be log of d square by dx square. So which is not a polynomial in derivatives. Hence, it is the degree is not defined. Options B is the correct answer. The next question. The degree of the differential equation of which y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is a solution is. Degree of the differential equation of which y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is a solution. Solution is so option A is equal to 1, option B is equal to 2 and option C is equal to 3, option D is none of these. Here the degree of the differential equations of the differential equation in a solutions is given by y square is equal to 4a into x plus a, which is the equation of parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax plus a. So first multiplying 4a on both sides. So y square is equal to 4ax is equal to 4a into a 4a square. Then which is the solutions of the given differential equation. Then which is the differentiate with respect to x. 2 times of 2 into y na differentiate with respect to x dy by dx, that is equal to here 4a is constant remains same, x na differentiate with respect to x1 plus 4a square is constant 0. Then we will eliminate the arbitrary constant a from equation 1 and 2. First we have to find the value of a is equal to 2 and 2 a is equal to 1 by 2 into y into dy by dx, eliminating a from 1 and 2, eliminating a from 1 and 2, then the given equations is y square is equal to 4 as it is same again, so again 2y into dy by dx into x again plus 4 into 1 by 4 into y square, because here the value 1 by 2 whole square again 1 by 4 into y square into dy by dx whole square. This implies y square de y square value jaggana value na replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Y is equal to 2x into dy by dx plus y square into dy by dx whole square. Here degree ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so order of the differential equation here 1, the power is 2, then degree is 2. So options B is the right answer. Okay, next questions. The order of the differential equation whose solution is order of the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus c3 into e power minus x is. Option C is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and option C is 3, option D is none of these is. As there are 3 independent arbitrary constants in the solution of the differential equations having 3 arbitrary constants. There are C1, C2, C3 are the arbitrary constant in the given equation. Hence, therefore, the order is 3 arbitrary. Because why? Order of the differential equations is depending upon the arbitrary constant of the solutions of the differential equation. Hence, the order is 3 because why? Here is 3 arbitrary constants. Hence, the order is 3. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. The differential equations of all circles with the center at the origin is. Option A is equal to x plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Options B, x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. And option C, x minus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Options 4 point D, y plus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. In note of any, okay, there are differential equations of all circles with center at the origin. Center at the origin is given by So equation of a circle center at the origin of the area, we know that x square plus y square is equal to a square, nothing but a is radius of the circle. The equation of family of circles having the center at the origin is x square plus y square is equal to r square, here nothing but a square, where a is the parameter. Then the given family of curves differentiate with respect to x. X square is differentiate with respect to x, y square is differentiate with respect to x, 2 into y into dy by dx. Here arbitrary constant is 0, then is equal to 0. Here 2 get common, so remaining x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Hence the option B is the correct answer. X plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, next question. The solution of the differential equation tan y into secant square x into dx plus tan x into secant square y into dy is equal to 0. Hence option C is equal to tan x is equal to c into tan y. Option B tan x into tan y is equal to c. Option C tan x plus tan y is equal to c. Option D tan x minus tan y is equal to c. But here the given equation is tan y into secant square x dx plus tan x into secant square y into dy is equal to 0, which is the variable separable method. Because secant square x with respect to x, then you don't want to tan y. Here also same, tan x into secant square y into dy, secant square y with respect to y, here tan x you don't want. Then dividing by both denominator by is equal to tan y and tan x. Tan y and tan x is dividing by on both sides. Then dividing by tan y and tan x get cancelled, remaining tan x, that is integrate secant square x divided by tan x into dx plus integrate dividing by tan x and tan x get cancelled, remaining tan y secant square y divided by tan y into dy is equal to 0, which is variables are separate. Then applying integrate on both sides, then applying integrate secant square x divided by tan x dx plus integrate secant square y tan y plus dy is equal to 0, which is integrate f dash of x divided by f of x. Then log of denominator, that is log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to integrate constant log c log m plus log m is equal to log m plus log n, log of m into n. So log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c, both side log get cancelled, remaining c tan x into tan y. Then the options B is tan x into tan y is the correct answer. Next question. The solutions of x into dy by dx plus y is equal to x into e power x. Then the solutions of the differential equations, the options A, x into y is equal to e power x into x plus 1 plus c. Options B, x into y is equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. Option C, x into y is equal to e power x into 1 minus x plus c. Option D, x into y is equal to e power x into y minus 1 plus c. Here the given differential equations is dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to e power x. We know that which is the linear differential equation. Here only which is dy by dx of the form. The coefficients of dy by dx are removed. Then only we will dividing by x on both sides the equation. Then dividing by x and x get cancelled, remaining dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x get cancelled, remaining e power x, which is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Here p is equal to 1 by x, q is equal to e power x. This is linear in y, linear differential equation. Then we have to find the integrating factor. E to the power of integrate p with respect to x, that is equal to e to the power of integrate 1 over x. The value of p is here 1 over x with respect to x is equal to e power integrate 1 over x. We know that log x, which is of the form e power log of f of x is equal to only f of x. Hence we have to take the value is equal to integrating factor is x. The solution of the differential equation is, we know that y into integrating factor nothing but e power integrate p with respect to x is equal to integrate q into e power integrate p with respect to x into dx plus c. Then y into integrating factor x is equal to integrate the value of q is e power x into integrating factor value is x into dx plus c. Then y into x as it is same, integrate e power x into x, which is integrated by part. First function is x, second function is e power x. First function as it is आगे है integrate e power x is integrate e power x minus integrate e power x into differentiate of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ integrate e power x once again minus e to the power of x plus c x into e power x minus e power x plus c. Then the options b is correct answer, but here e power x get common, then x into y is equal to e power x get common, x minus 1 plus c is options b is the correct answer. The next question ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Only we have to find integrating factor of the differential equation. We have to find only integrating factor. Integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 plus y divided by x is option x divided by e power x, b e power x divided by x, option c x into e power x, option d e power x. Here the given differential equation is linear differential equation y which is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ which is equal to 1 plus y is differential equations na given equation is dy by dx plus separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 over x y by x 1 over x y by x, then y by x is comes from left side dy by dx plus 1 y value as it is ಆಗಿದೆ minus y by x ಇದೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ y get common remaining 1 minus 1 over x into y is equal to remaining 1 over x ಆಗಿದೆ. So then which is the linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. The integrating form integrating factor e to the power of integrate 1 minus 1 over x which is the value of p into the power of integrate 1 minus 1 over x with respect to x, integrate 1 e power x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ into minus integrate 1 over x log x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and e to the power of x minus 1 over x e to the power of applying loss of indices e power x as it is ಆಗಿದೆ into e power minus of log x which is 1 by e to the power of log of f of x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ only f of x is considered, that is x e power x divided by x. The options b is the correct answer. The next one questions the solution of the differential equation cos x sin y into dx plus sin x cos y into dy is equal to 0 which is also variable separable method. Here sin y dx ಇದೆ cos x ಇದೆ which is sin y is removed from this part plus sin x cos y into dy is equal to here cos y dy with respect to cos sin x is removed. Then the given differential equation is dividing by sin y and sin x, dividing by sin y and sin x are both the equations. So here sin y cos x sin y dx as it is same plus sin x into cos y into dy is also same. Are separating the variables, are dividing by sin y and sin x. Dividing by sin y and sin x get cancelled, remaining cos x plus sin x into dx plus dividing by sin y and sin x. Here sin x get cancelled, remaining sin y cos y by sin y with respect to y is equal to 0. Here also variables are separate. Then applying the integrate on both sides the differential equation, applying integrate cos x by sin x into dx plus integrate cos y by sin y is equal to 0. Then we know that sin x can differentiate cos x, sin x can differentiate cos x, hence integrate f dash of x divided by f of x. We know that log of denominator. So अगर integrate ना integrate मतलब log of denominator is here sin x, log of sin x plus integrate cos x cos y divided by sin y with respect to y. Sin y का derivative we know that cos y, then log of denominator log of sin y is equal to integrate constant, then log c we know that log n plus log n is equal to log of m into n is equal to log c. Moreover, the both sides log get cancel, remaining sin x sin y is equal to c. Then options d sin x into sin y is equal to c. That is the correct answer. And next, the solution of the differential equation dx by dy plus x by y is equal to y square is also linear differential equation. Here options are solution 1 over y into cx minus x into log x, b is equal to x into y is equal to y to the power of 4 by 4 plus c c is equal to 1 by x is equal to cx plus x into log y, d is equal to 1 by y is equal to cx minus y into log x. Then options ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. Andre here the value of p is 1 by y, the value of q is y square, which is linear in x. Then we have to find the integrating factor e to the power of integrate p with respect to y. Here p value is 1 by y. Integrate 1 by y e to the power of log y. We know that e to the power of log of f of x is equal to only f of x, that is the value is y. Then the solution of the differential equation is x into integrating factor, that is x into y, is equal to integrate the value of q is here y square into integrating factor value y with respect to dy plus c. Then x into y as it is remains same, integrate y square into y cube. Y cube na integrate below that y to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. Agada options are ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. x into y to the power of 4 by 4 plus c, x into y is equal to y to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. Options B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, next one ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. The solution of 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy. The solution of the 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equal to 0. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equal to 0. Solution of the differential equations. Okay, 3 into x into 1 plus y square is equal to 4y cube plus c. And options B 3y into 1 plus x square into 4x cube plus c, and 3x into 1 minus y square is equal to 4y cube plus c. Options D 3y into 1 plus y square is equal to 4x cube plus c. Here the given differential equation is 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 4x square, then which is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q format. Then only which is dividing by throughout the equation 1 plus x square. Then this implies dy by dx 1 plus x square remains, get answer. So plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x square divided by 1 plus x square, which is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. Then we have to find the integrating factor e to the power of integrate p with respect to x is equal to e to the power of integrate 2x divided by the value of p is 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. We know that 1 plus x square, the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Then once again integrate f dash of x divided by f of x, log of denominator, e power log of 1 plus x square. We know that once again e power log of f of x is equal to, will treat it as f of x only. So 1 plus x square. The solution of the differential equation is integrating factor into y. Integrating factor into y. Here integrating factor value 1 plus x square into y is equal to integrate q. The value of q is 4x square divided by 1 plus x square into integrating factor 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancel. Here the 4x square integrate with respect to dx is 4x cube by 3. Here 1 over 3 is constant, applying c by 3 is also. So then 1 over 3 get common, 1 plus x square into y, 1 plus x square into y. This implies 4x cube plus c. Here 1 by 3 applying left side, 3 into 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x cube plus c. Options B is 3y into 1 plus x square is equal to 4x cube plus c. Then options B is the correct answer. The next question. The equation of the curve whose slope is given by, slope is nothing but we know that dy by dx is equal to 2y divided by x, x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, and which passes through the point 1 comma 1 is. Then here we find the equation of a curve of the differential equation which is also passes through the point 1 comma 1. The options are x square is equal to y square is equal to x, and x square is equal to 2y. Option D, y square is equal to 2x. Options nota barna. So given the differential equations na solve madana. First we are solving the given differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 2 into y divided by x. Variables are separate. 2y shifted left side, that is dy by y or dx separate, integrate 2 divided by x into dx, applying integrate on both sides because y which is the variable separable method, variables are separated, then integrate 1 over y log y is equal to as it is remains 2 constant ಆಗಿದೆ 1 over x ನ integrate log x 2 over the log of x square plus integrate constant log c, then the which is of the form log m plus log n, you know that log of m into n, then log y is equal to log of x square into c, both side log get cancelled, remaining y is equal to cx square. This general solution which passes through the point 1 comma 1, then x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. You know that x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, then the value of this c get 1. Thus the equation y is equal to cx square, the value of c is also 1, then the solution is y is equal to x square is the equation of the curve of the family of differential equation. Hence the option B is y square is equal to x. The solution of the differential equation cos x into dy is equal to y into sin x minus y into dx, x is greater than 0 less than pi by 2 is secant x is equal to y into tan x plus c, option B y into secant x is equal to tan x plus c, option C y into tan x is equal to secant x plus c, D option tan x is equal to secant x plus c into y. The given differential equation C is cos x into dy is equal to y into sin x minus y into dx is equal to 0, but dy by dx, x removed from left side, the dy by dx is equal to remain right side y into sin x minus y into y square dividing by cos x is shifted to right side cos x, then dy by dx is equal to y into tan x because cos is separate on both sides. So y is equal to sin by cos x tan x minus y square as it is same 1 by cos is equal to secant x, then which is differentiate with respect to x, secant x is as it is same 1 by multiplied by 1 by y square on both sides, then 1 by y square is equal to 1 by y square get cancelled, remaining 1 over y into tan x, here y square get cancelled, remaining only minus secant x. Put substitution minus 1 by y is the z which is differential with respect to y minus with respect to x minus as it is same 1 by y na differentiate minus 1 by y square, hence minus into minus plus and 1 by y square ಆಗಿದೆ. y na with respect to x differentiate dy by dx is equal to z with respect to x dz by dx, therefore dz by dx plus as it is ಆಗಿದೆ tan x into z is equal to minus secant x because dz by dx as it is value ಆಗಿದೆ tan x ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ, z value minus 1 by y is equal to minus secant x which is linear in z, then the which is linear in z dz by dx plus which is p into q is equal to which is also p, then integrating factor e to the power of integrate tan x with respect to x, you know that integrate tan x is e to the power of tan x the integrate log of secant x is equal to, you know that e power log of f of x is equal to only f of x, that is equal to secant x, then the solution is z into secant x is equal to integrate minus secant x into secant x with respect to x. So here p value minus secant x integrate value secant x, then the z into secant x remains same, integrate minus agide integrate secant into secant square x integrate secant square x, that is tan x, z into secant x is equal to minus tan x minus c, but z is equal to minus 1 over c minus 1 over y into secant x is equal to minus tan x minus x. This implies which is c, this implies secant x as it is same minus minus both sides get cancelled, y cross multiplication secant x is equal to y into tan x plus c, option secant x is equal to a y into tan x plus c, then the option C is correct answer. Okay, next questions note down. The particular solutions of the differential equations y by x, particular solutions of the differential equation y by x into dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square when x is equal to 1 y is equal to 2 is options 5 into 1 plus y square is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square, options B 2 into 1 plus y square is equal to 5 into 1 plus x square, option C 5 into 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square. Option D, 1 plus y square is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square. First we are applying variables are separable. So here x into dx cross multiply 1 plus y square shifted to left side. So again integrate value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2y divided by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to integrate 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here multiplying by 2 on both sides. Here ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplying by 2 on both sides. 1 plus y square ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ y divided by 1 plus y square into dy. x ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ x divided by 2 1 plus x square. 2 is multiplying by 2 on both sides with respect to x. So our variables are separate. They applying integrate on both sides. Applying integrate log of denominator. Integrate 1 plus y square and differentiate 2y. Then log of denominator that is equal to log of 1 plus y square is equal to here also log of denominator log of 1 plus x square plus integrate constant log c. Then log of 1 plus y square is equal to log of m into n and the log of c into 1 plus x square. Both sides log are get cancelled. Remaining 1 plus y square is equal to c into 1 plus x square. When x is equal to, which is passing to the particular solution, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So then x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 c into 2. Then y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2, 2 square and 4 plus 1, 5. C into 2, 2 shifted to left side. C is equal to 5 by 2. Then the solution is 1 plus y square is equal to the value of c is 5 by 2 into 1 plus x square. 2 right side left side is shift are 2 into 1 plus y square is equal to 5 into 1 plus x square. Then the option B is the correct answer. The next question. The solutions of the differential equation is dy by dx is equal to x plus y whole square is options 1 by x plus y is equal to c. Options B, sin inverse of x plus y is equal to x plus c. Option C, tan inverse of x plus y is equal to c. Options D, tan inverse of x plus y is equal to x plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, given differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y whole square by putting substitution x plus y is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x na differentiate 1, y na differentiate dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1 is equal to the value of x plus y is equal to substitution t square. Then minus t square which is equal to minus 1 ikade bandre alli over integrate ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 plus t square. Variables separable. Variables na separate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ integrate dx into right side is shift ಆದ್ರೆ integrate 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Variables are separate. Applying integrate on both sides. Integrate 1 divided by 1 plus t square. We know that tan inverse x 1 divided by 1 plus x square integrate tan inverse x. But here tan inverse t is equal to integrate 1 with respect to x plus integrate constant c. Therefore tan inverse of the value of t is x plus y is equal to remaining x plus c. Hence the option D is the correct answer. Tan inverse of x plus y is equal to x plus c. Okay, next question ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Let y dash is equal to e power minus 2y and y is equal to 0 then x is equal to e. Then the value of x and when y is equal to 1 by 2. Then the value of x when the value of y is equal to 1 by 2. Here given differential equation is y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to e to the power of minus 2y. Applying laws of indices 1 over e power 2y positive y. ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ e power 2y into dy is equal to right side shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dx. Then which is integrate on both sides because variables are separated. Then integrate e power 2y into dy dx. E power 2y integrate 1 over 2 into e power 2y is equal to integrate dx plus c x plus c. Then given the value of y passing to value of y is equal to 0 and x equal to e. The value of y is equal to 0 e power 0 value 1 by 2 is equal to the value of x is equal to e is equal to ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ plus c. Then the value of c is equal to 1 by 2 minus e. Then therefore 1 by 2 into e power 2y is equal to x plus the value of c is 1 by 2 minus e. Here we have to find the value of x when y is equal to 1 by 2. When the y is equal to 1 by 2 we get 1 by 2 into e. 1 by 2 into e. The value of y is equal to 1 by 2. Y value 1 by 2 to get cancelled. Then 1 by 2 into e is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus e. Here minus e is shifted to left side. Then minus is plus e. 1 by 2 plus e, that is equal to 3 by 2 e, and remaining plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, remaining ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ value of x ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x is equal to 3 by 2 into e minus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 get common, 3 into e minus 1. So 1 by 2 into 3 into e minus 1, that is the option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. The solutions of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x into e to the power of x minus y is options A e power x minus y is equal to C. Options B e power y into x into e power x plus e power x plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. And option C e power x minus y is equal to e power x into y. Options D none of these. The given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to x into e power x minus y. Here laws of indices apply matter e power x into e power minus y, e power minus 1 comes from denominator, that is positive. So dy by dx is equal to x into e power x into dy. Variables are separated, e power y into dy, x into e power x into dx. Then applying integrate on both sides, integrate e power y into dy, integrate x into e power x into dx plus c is equal to, this implies e power y integrate e power y as it is said is equal to which is integrate by parts. First function x आगे आता e power x ना integrate e power x minus of integrate e power x into x ना differentiate one, hence integrate e power x, that is also e power x, e power y into x into e power x minus e power x plus c. Here options are different from the answer, so options D is the correct answer, that is none of these. Next one. A solution of the differential equation y double dash minus x into y dash plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, which is today we are given differential equation y double dash minus x into y dash plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. ಈ differential equation ಗೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ y double dash and y dash ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವುದು LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಮೂರ್ ಓವರ್ ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y dash ನ 2 into 2 4x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y dash ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y double dash x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ LHS is equal to non RHS. then is also same y ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ y dash ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, y dash ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ 2 and y double dash ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. so hence LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ y is equal to ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y dash is equal to 4x, y double dash is 4, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ LHS is equal to not RHS. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ y dash is equal to 2, y double dash is equal to 0. so y double dash value 0 minus 2 into y dash value minus 2x plus y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ plus 2x minus 4 plus 4 minus 2x plus 2x get cancel, hence the option C is D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. The differential equation of the family of lines passes through the origin. We know the differential equations of the line family of passes through the origin. Y is equal to mx is the equation of the line passing through the origin. Here the given differential equations because the arbitrary constant is m. Removing the arbitrary constant when we differentiate with respect to x, the y na differentiate with respect to x dy by dx, that is equal to m is constant remains same, x na differentiate 1 ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. hence therefore y is equal to x into dy by dx is required differential equation when eliminating the parameter constant m. Okay, thank you.